This video will show you how to use Smeg Induction Hobs. Induction hobs are an energy efficient and super safe heat source in the kitchen. They work by heating the pan rather than the hob via a magnetic field. To find out more about how they work, please click the link in the description. Firstly, select your cookware. This has to be induction friendly, meaning it has to have a magnetic base in order for it to connect to the hob. There are two easy ways to find out whether your cookware can be used on an induction hob. Firstly, there is an induction symbol on the base. Or secondly, take a fridge magnet and connect it to the base of the pan. If the magnet connects, then you know your pan is suitable for your induction hob. It's important to have good quality pans when cooking on an induction hob. This is because the amount of magnetic material on the base of the pans vary. This can affect the overall performance. Next, place your pan over the zone of choice. Now begin by turning on the hob using the power button. Smeg touch controls are light sensitive rather than by heat or pressure, so simply lay your finger on rather than press. Next, turn on the heat. Simply slide your finger up or down the controls to increase or decrease the heat. Some models have key controls. Select the cooking zone and then press the increase or decrease key to raise or lower the heat. It's possible to bridge two zones together if your hob has multi-zone technology. This enables a singular zone to be used at the same temperature throughout, ideal for larger pans. To activate the bridge function, simply press two bars at the same time. The bridge function will then appear on the display. Use the slider control to activate the heat on both zones. Alternatively, some hobs have a multi-zone button. Induction technology allows complete precision when cooking. It can bring water to the boil and turn it off just as quickly, preventing any spillages. Equally, unlike gas or ceramic hobs, you can melt chocolate directly into the pan on an induction hob using a low temperature. Some hobs are equipped with automatic programs for melting at 42 degrees, keeping warm at 74 degrees, and simmering at 92 degrees. To turn off the power, either use the slider or the selection keys, or alternatively, turn off the power button to deactivate all zones. For more information about a specific model and the features available, please refer to your instruction manual. This is included with the appliance or can be found on the Smeg website. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.